Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Kraken ACH deposits for faster funding. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To configure Kraken ACH deposits for faster funding, start by logging into your Kraken account. Once logged in, navigate to the Funding tab in the main menu. In the Funding section, select Deposit to begin the process. From the list of currencies, choose USD as your deposit option. Next, locate and click on the ACH deposit method. You will be prompted to enter your bank account details. Provide your bank account number and routing number carefully. Make sure the details are accurate to avoid errors in the funding process. After entering your information, review any terms and conditions presented. If you agree with the terms, confirm your bank account settings. Once your bank account is verified, you can initiate an ACH deposit. Select the amount you wish to deposit from your linked bank account. Review your deposit information before proceeding to confirm the transaction. It may take a few business days for the funds to appear in your Kraken account. You will receive a notification once the funds have been credited. For future deposits, you can repeat the process for quicker transactions. Congratulations, you have configured your Kraken ACH deposits for faster funding. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.